This is an SQU, the most beautiful flowers actually. Oh, the SQU ground. This is the university's beautiful and amazing place, amazing park. That is yan. Ganda-ganda ng mga ano to na, ganda-ganda ng ground, green. Very neat and clean. And the fountain is there also. That is the park ng ano, universities. That's why to all the people out there that you did not know this place, it is nice too much. Very nice. Very neat. It's organized for everything. Organized for some maintenance and tsaka ang ganda, akala mo nasa ano ka. It's a kind of like a paradise. Oh no, dami-daming ibon. Kaya gusto nila dito. Kaya lang ito yung university sa College of Engineering, Nurses, and the other agriculture, something like that. So, meron silang parang farm, yung farm, oh. Maraming nagmi-maintain ng cleanliness, oh. Kaya maganda dito, actually.